I moved out here in '86.
Gregory Peters says he moved his family from Milwaukee to Jefferson to take a job in the warehouse at the Tyson plant.
That'll be 28 years Monday.
But he won't complete year 29. On Thursday, he and other workers here were told they'd be out of a job this time next year.
They brought the whole plant, both shifts, first and second shift, into the warehouse at 2 o'clock today and told everybody all at once.
The impact will be felt really throughout the community.
But city officials say news that this plant would be closing next year caught them off guard.
This was the first inkling that we had that the company was considering making a change at this facility.
The city administrator says he wishes he'd had a chance to change Tyson's mind.
This facility has operated about 100 years. Generations of families worked at this facility.
It's one of the major employers in the county. It's pretty tough blow.
Gregory says he'll now be on the lookout for other work.
The family supporting jobs are getting harder and harder to find.
In Jefferson, Pete Servakis, 27 News.
City officials in Jefferson say they'll work with the State Department of Workforce Development to help those laid off workers. The city administrator says he expects the layoffs to start in the spring or summer, and then the plant will be closed up by October of next year. Tyson says it's encouraging workers in Jefferson to apply for other jobs within the company.